Hey guys, it's me, Heather. Don't be alarmed. I have a little bit of a cold, so but I did want to get on here and excuse me. I did want to get on here and film my PR haul because everybody else and their mama has filmed theirs, and so I know I'm running a little late. But first, I wanted to share with you my little mini haul from Sephora because I know, and you know, that's your favorite. And also, sorry about this lighting. I'm trying. Just because all my stuff was still sitting downstairs where it arrived, I was like, I'm just going to film downstairs. But I feel like I'm in The Shining or something. Like, I'm in a scary movie. Okay, so I'm going to share. First, this was one of the little 100-point perks or whatever. And it's a Trouble is my middle name from Urban Decay. Excuse me. Excuse me. And it came with a little mini Urban Decay all-nighter, which I love, so that'd be good to toss in my purse. Or then it comes with a Urban Decay Troublemaker mascara. Hey Dolly. And then it also comes with a little Bad Blood Comfort Matte lipstick. Hey baby girl, can you get up here? Sorry, dog break. Be right back. Oh. She wants to say hi. She wants to say hi. She also wants to lick my lip gloss off. So, you gonna be good? Okay. Be good. Sit right here. Okay. So much for not editing, huh? Okay, so this is Bad Blood Comfort Matte. Let me scoot back so she can fit. Okay. And she loves lip gloss and lipstick, sissy. You're gonna fall to your death on camera, okay? So sit in the chair. Let's see if I can get this open. Okay. It's called Bad Blood, and it is just a really pretty... Whoa, that light is bright. Okay, here we go. I think it's very pretty. So, that was just one of those little free gifts, but most importantly, hello. Okay. Alright, and now, I don't know which one to pull out first because I don't know which one I'm more excited about, but we'll just go with da-da-da, the Glam Glow Gravity Mud featuring the pink My Little Pony. And yes, at Christmas, I hauled the black glitter. I can't even get into this. Would you believe I haven't even opened it yet? I've been so busy. I haven't even used it yet. I can't even get into it. Okay, so it comes with this pink. It's like this. Look how cute she is. Okay. Comes with a pink spatula instead of the normal like gray, and I think mine was purple because it was the Gravity Mud. Oh, I don't know that I can use it. I think it's just, I'm gonna have to set it out. Look how cute she is. There it is. Oh, look how cute she is. And let me show you the lid. Oh, it's not been opened yet. We're not gonna open it yet because I haven't tried it yet. So. But, trust me, it is pink glittery, and I wanted the purple one also, but I said, Heather, I only have like 2 uses left in the black one, so that's why I just went ahead and got this one, because you guys know it's my fave. Alright, so, I'm already 4 minutes in. Oh, God, okay, and I picked up the pink, I think it's La Vie en Rose Mothership Subversive Pat McGrath Labs palette. Look how pretty. Pretend that's me. And then it just has this little, you hook it like that to close it. It's got a little flap. This top flap is a big mirror. I'm gonna try not to blind you, and then there are the shadows. That is what I'm wearing today. I have this all on the crease and on the lid. I have this pink kind of in the crease, also just kind of blending the colors together, and then I have this purple all over the lid. So that's just a Stila metallic glitter. They're old ones that were in the pots. That's what's in the corner of my eye, if you're wondering. But yeah, loving this. It was only 55 bucks. It was cheaper than the mask. And that's all I'm going to show you from that. You don't care about my free samples because, you know, we never get the same free samples, even if we tried. Alright. I guess I'm going to show you Tarte first, and then I'll show you PIXI. And then again, this is PR. It was sent to me from my blog. There's so much. I have so many amazing brands that sent me stuff this week from the drugstore. I just can't fit it all in here because I'm trying to not have to edit. So these two were the biggest surprise for me, and I assume these will probably be fun for you guys, the most fun. So I'm gonna start with Tarte. I can't pick this box up because it is, as you can tell, in front of the umbrella. Oh Lord, that is not a good angle. Okay, so the first item is the Park Avenue Princess Amazonian Clay Waterproof Bronzer, and it's in this little packaging. These are not necessarily like the new launch. Well, I haven't worked with them in a couple years. Like, they send me stuff randomly, and what the PR girl that I always work with, she always just likes to send me her favorites, and that's what I've always asked her to do. I've never asked her for new release products, which is amazing as well, but I say, when she wants to send me stuff, I always would say, I don't care, just send me your favorites. And so I think that's what she's done, because this is just a fun assortment of Tarte products, and I think it's probably just some of her favorites. So anyways, so that's what it looks like. It says Park Avenue Princess, and then it's just the bronzer. There we go. So I'm gonna try to hurry through this because I don't want to take all your Sunday up. And I do apologize for my voice. So these are two chrome paints from, obviously, Tarte. I got Fire Dancer and Pot of Gold. And when I tell you I have worn this Fire Dancer, if I'm not wearing this, I'm wearing Fire Dancer. Like, just hold up. Okay, they come in little pots like this. And I can't hold the actual little glass part up because it's so crumbly, but this is the color. Wait. Don't think that I'm showing this to you without swatching it, because it is amazing. And it doesn't crease. Look at that. It doesn't crease. I take it all over my lid and just smoke it a little bit up into the crease. And then I'll do it under my eye too. Baby, it is, I mean, look at that. It doesn't crease on my, and I have oily, obviously, allergy eyes. Oily lids, not oily eyes, oily lids and allergy eyes. And then let me show you Pot of Gold, just because I love them so much. Sorry, I know, it's disgusting. Okay, and then this is Pot of Gold, and it just comes in a little, it looks like a liner at first, but I don't think I'm going to be able to hold them up. But see, they're so crumbly. But don't be alarmed by the crumbliness, because they're beautiful. You can, this will last you forever as well. You see that? Look at that. Oh, yeah. Don't worry. I got you, girl. Hold on. I just feel like I'm in a basement in a scary movie or something. Which I'm not. In a basement. I might be living a scary movie, but okay. And this is Pot of Gold. No. There it is. There we go. Look how beautiful. And I have worn this one. Mostly I just like to do it on the inner corner or just like as a halo in the middle, but they are gorgeous. And I think they're like 24 bucks or something, but when I say this will last you forever, I've been working out of the lid of these because you see the pigmentation I'm getting. Oh my God. There we go. Out of the lid. So do not sleep on swatching out. This is, I think it's the new Clay Play Volume 2 Eye and Cheek Palette. And first, I mean, hello, that packaging is adorbs. But that's what it looks like. Big, huge mirror here at the top. So I'm going to flip it this way. And hopefully you can see those. Let me see if this is better. Let me just see if this matters at all. Is that going to kill me here? Oh, no, you can still see. There we are. That's the Clay Play 2. And then, I've never even heard of this one. It's the Double Duty Beauty Make Every Moment Count palette. Is that light better? I don't know. You're going to yell at me. I know. You'll say, Heather, just leave it alone. Let's tell ghost stories. Better. I like that better. Okay. There's these. Isn't it cute? And then it looks like it's just, yeah, it's just like blushes and a bronzer. Or maybe just 3 blushes. Yeah, so, that's really cute. Excusez-moi. This is the Tarte Eye and Cheek Palette Shape Your Money Maker Palette. I don't know that I ever heard of it, but I know I'm looking at the wrong place. Hot Mess Express. Brought to you again by Heather. Okay. This is really pretty. I like this one. Look at those colors. Yeah, I like that one a lot. I don't know if I showed you the front. It's really pretty too. Okay, and then they sent me, or she sent me Man-Eater mascara, Sex a Kitten eyeliner, which I'll need to try out because my allergy eyes are always looking for a good liner. I got two Rainforest of the Sea Color Splash shade shifting lipsticks. Whoa. Don't. Reading is fundamental, kids. Reading is fundamental. Okay, and I'm gonna try to remember 10 minutes in. Y'all will watch 10 minutes, right? Okay. Because I got a few more things to show you from Tarte, and then PIXI, which most of you have already seen. But okay, so this is Yacht Week, and this one, I mean, was made for me. Look at that. I hope you can see that glitter. Ooh, baby. Now we're gonna swatch it right next to those eyeshadows. There it is. Yeah, baby. It's not what I'm wearing today. I guess it doesn't look anything like what I'm wearing today. But I'm wearing the new Urban Decay High Gloss. It's like a pink. It's beautiful. So, okay. This one is called Ocean Floor. Look at that packaging. And it is like this beautiful, like, look at that. And we're going to swatch it next to that other one. And this has got, look at that. It's like it's kind of like that eyeshadow. It's got like a, not this eyeshadow. That eyeshadow that's like Club or something by MAC. It's like purpley, blue, green. Like, it's just got all these beautiful colors to it. So, like that. She was also kind enough to send me these eye brushes from Tarte. And then, I believe last but definitely not least, my most favoriteest of all is the big Park Avenue Princess Chiseled Palette. Can we first talk about this packaging? Yeah. Oh, and the back is like a big old mirror. You can see yourself. But the top half, this is all a mirror, and then you get bronzers and highlighters. I'm so excited to try this out. I want to take pictures of it. That's what I do. I take the pictures, and then I get to review it and play with it. But I want pictures while it's still pretty and shiny. So, okay, so I think that's all from Tarte. We're going to leave, whoa, hello. We're going to leave all that sitting there, and I'm going to try to get this PIXI box in the picture. This is from PIXI. They sent me this big, huge box. I came home, and my husband's like, you have a huge box that came for you today. And I was like, wonder what that was. And it's this. So, this is the Chloe Murillo palette here with her lip gloss. And I don't know if you understand how hard it is to hold this. So I am so sorry for not having the best views. But I'm trying to not have to edit this. Whoa, the lighting got dark. Okay, so anyways. And then in here in the middle is going to be Dulce Candy. And I will hold that up for you. There's there's her face palette. And then that's her lip palette. And then the can here real fast without everything falling. We have, I think her name is, let me make sure, Wiley. And it's an eyeshadow palette. It was like a liner of some kind. And like I said, I have not, you can see this box here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.